What's up, guys? I hope you're having a good day and Happy New Year. So in today's video, I'm going to be going over my December 2022 income and then wrapping up the end of the year, showing you guys all my income for the year. So let's get started. My passive income portfolio is at $48,766.33. And then starting off on December 1st, I received a $5.17 dividend from American Waterworks. And if we go into that stock, I have $1,263 for 8.28 shares at an average share price of $155.10. So next up on December 5th, I received a $12.54 dividend from Pfizer, and this puts me at $17.71 so far for the month. Then I have $1,606 in Pfizer for 31.34 shares at an average price of $35.65. And then next up on December 6th, I received 3 dividends, and I received my largest dividend from Jeppy of $38.41. Then I got $5.85 from Johnson & Johnson, and then $15.54 from Southern Company. And if we look at Jeppy, I have $3,428 in this stock for 62.92 shares at an average share price of $59.18. Next up, we have Johnson & Johnson. I have $913 in this stock with 5.17 shares for an average price of $144.14. And then last up is Southern Company. I have $1,632 in this stock for 22.85 shares at an average share price of $57.14. And so at this point, I have $77.51 for the month of December. And then on December 8th, I received $3.24 from Microsoft. This puts me at $80.75 for the month. And then I have $1,215 in Microsoft, 5.06 shares for an average share price of $221.07. And then on December 12th, I received 2 dividends from IBM and SCHD. And IBM paid me $11.86, and SCHD paid me an insane $56.49. That is my largest dividend I've received from them, and that's the largest dividend I've ever received too. And that puts me at $149.10 for the month. And I have $1,012 in IBM, 7.18 shares for an average price of $120.21. And then I have $6,262 in SCHD. And I gotta click on it. I have 82.9 shares and an average share price of $73.50. On December 15th, I received 4 dividends, $7.59 from Home Depot, $8.22 from Kellogg's, $6.54 from O Realty, and $5.32 for Stag. So this puts me at $176.77 halfway through the year. And that's great to see. We're close to $200. We're only halfway through. So let's check out Home Depot. I have $1,261 in this stock, almost 4 shares at an average price of $287.40. Next, I have $991 in Kellogg's, 13.92 shares at an average price of $63.89. Next up, I have Realty Income Corp, $1,672 for 26.37 shares and an average share price of $62.78. And then last up on the 15th, I have Stag, which is $1,411 43.69 shares at an average price of $31.35. Then next up on the 16th, I received $12.52 from Duke Energy, which puts me at $189.29 for the month. And I have $1,315 in Duke Energy for 12.77 shares at an average price of $88.32. And then finally, on December 30th, I received 3 dividends, $21.75 from Good, $7.68 from LTC, and then $25.01 from BST. And I'll show you guys my total dividend income for the month at the end. So I have $3,209 in Gladstone, 173.46 shares at an average price of $18.45. Next up, I have $1,435 in LTC, 40.40 shares at an average price of $36.23. And then last up is BST. I have $2,838 for 100 shares at an average share price of $35.63. And now, guys, let's go to my dividend growth chart. For the month of December, I received $243.73. And as you can see, at the end of the year, for all of 2022, I received $2,344.41 for a monthly average of $195.37. So now let's look at some of these numbers. This one's from last month. So if you took my dividend income from December and divided it by 160 hours in the month, I would have received $1.52 for my December 2022 dividend income. This number right here, the 12.16%. Oh, actually, so this number right here, the 15.08%, that is taking my expenses. That is taking my December income and dividing it by my expenses. So if I didn't reinvest, my dividend income would have paid for 15% of my expenses. Now this number, the 12.16, if I take my average monthly dividend income and divide it by my average monthly expenses, my dividend income would have paid for 12.16% of my expenses. And that's significant. I say anything over 10% is a great number to have for my dividends paying for my expenses. That is pretty cool. And then last up, this number right here shows the increase in my dividend income from 2021 to 2022. And my dividend income increased by 64.9%, which is awesome. That is a huge growth rate. And so, guys, that is the end of the video. Thank you for watching. And don't forget to check out the links below. You can sign up to M1 Finance, get your 12 free stocks from Webull, and check out my Amazon link. If you guys are shopping at Amazon, go ahead and click my link. You don't have to pay anything extra, and I just receive a small commission.